Hey, did you know that Gino's Garage has a merchandise store? We have t-shirts, coffee cups, stickers, and more. Just click the link in the description below and you can browse all of our products. Alright, so I've got the floor jack up under this. You can see there, just gently sitting on the brake drum, or the brake pad, sorry. And this is the thrust bearing. We're going to pull that out. Check to see about the grease in here. So we've got a new thrust bearing to go on there. Pull out on that thing like that?
Out, pull. Out that way?
Yes.
Okay.
Are you pulling? I need a screwdriver or something. Can you tell me where they're at?
It just needs to come in a little bit. It's out just like right here.
This is?
No,
or
the
shim.
Shim.
They need to go where?
That way.
They need to go towards you some more?
Yes.
That whole thing has to go that way, doesn't it?
No.
Or is it lined up?
This is lined up. It's the shim.
Alright, we're recording. Alright. So, I don't know if you saw this, but we got these wedges put back in on either side. They torque to 30 to 40 foot-pounds for a 7/16 stud per our manual for this axle. So now I'm going to get the caps put back on, and then we're going to get everything filled with grease and grease this thing up real good. Well, it's important to do this while you don't have any weight on the axle. That's the top one. I need the one without the paint top one. And I need the little thing for it.
Oh.
No, well, I need a gasket, yes, but did you ever clean those?
Yes.
And then I need the bolts and the right size socket for the impact, though.
Yep.
What did we torque? Did we torque those on the other side?
These? Not that I know of. Yeah, I'm not sure. Once I was completely asleep.
You were.
You're recording.
Set on here. Get these started. Easy. Drop this down to number 1. Over torque. Alright. Cámara. Tighten. Swivel. It's weird with the floppy head and the swivel.
Oh, do you want to clean the things with this carmite?
Wow, this is hard to do with the floppy head and the floppy.
Everything's too floppy.
Yeah. I'm trying to use a piece of spaghetti. Let's do away with that. That's great, but it's not good for freaking this. Probably need to check the other side too for those. I don't think we torqued those either.
Okay, greasing them?
Yeah, hit it.
Took off the batteries for safety.
Beware the grease gun. Beware the grease gun. Alright, we'll start at the top, I guess.
This is our last two.
Okay. This is the lock and lube. It is? There she goes. Start to come out there.
Do you want me to be turning the steering wheel?
Yeah, we're going to do that.
Alright. Just clean your hands.
grease coming out of there?
Yep.
There. Come on there. We'll put some on this down here while we're at it. While we're at it.
He's ready if you need to turn it.
This guy while we're at it. Come on. Come on. What is going on here, Harry? Put it on the other side. Do not put your finger on the tip of that thing.
Oh.
Is it on there?
Yes.
Get your hand off there. Put the pooch in the bottom there. That's good.
You want me to do this one?
Yeah, you can put a little bit in there, see if they have that open. We should hit the slack adjuster too while we're at it. Is there a lot of grease sitting on that slack adjuster in there?
No.
Watch in here.
Okay.
Is there any grease? Are you looking?
That's where this metal plate is, right?
Yeah. Is there another grease thing here?
This was moving. Yeah.
Now it's coming out over there. Just like bus old man Phil tells us to leave a little dab of grease on these things. Leave a little dab of grease that protects the nipple from dirt and grime. Alright, Mario, turn it back and forth. See that grease right now? I think we'll put some more on that bottom log. Oop. Is it coming out of the thing?
Yep.
Whoa! It's really jamming out of there now, isn't it? Got a little carried away. The other end of that thing too while we're at it. Alright, recording. Alright, so we're checking the vertical play on this thing. So we got a little over 5 thousandths. It's not going all the way back down now, but I kind of hit it down. They tell you to smack this top down with a hammer, and that's what I did with the dead blow hammer, and then now we're just pushing it up. So we're about 6 thousandths. It says between 5 thousandths and 25 thousandths, so I think we're going to be happy with that. I'd rather have it on the tighter side because this thrust washer, they said, will eventually kind of compress them, so that's going to end up giving us some play. So I think we're good with that. I think we'll leave it be. Check the other side. You see my setup, I got it sitting on the axle there, and then the other part it says on the spindle, the top of the spindle. Alright, so we got everything pretty well taken care of on this side. We're going to just button everything up. I'm going to go ahead and change this shock out on this side. You've seen that in my other videos. Appreciate you watching. If you like this video, hit the like button down below. Maybe leave a comment. If you have a question, please leave it down below. I'd like to hear from you. Also, if you enjoy this kind of content on wander lodges or anything else on our channel, think about subscribing. And also, if you want to know about future videos, hit the notification bell. That'll tell you when a future video is coming out, or maybe if I'm doing a live video in the future. We appreciate you watching again, and we'll see you in the next one. If you think about it, check out down below. I'll leave a link in the description to our merchandise store.